2 minus 6 bracket 2 minus 6 is equal what? Here 2 minus 6 gives us negative 4 multiply 2 minus 6 gives us negative 4. This negative 4 times negative 4 gives us positive 16, but it is not correct. Now I will apply PEMDAS rule to solve this math correctly. Here PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right, and addition and subtraction have same priority. For this we have to work left to right also. Therefore at first we have to work with this parenthesis. Here this 2 minus 6 multiply this 2 minus 6 gives us negative 4. According to the order of operation, now I will work with this multiplication. Here this 2 minus this 6 times negative 4 gives us this minus, and this minus become plus. 6 times 4 gives us 24. This 2 plus 24 gives us 26, and this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.